$1,050 checks coming out this month before June 28th. Hey, what is up YouTube? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Welcome back to another show. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all your stimulus news. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button. Guys, there is so much information. Let's dive in. So real fast, there is a state that is offering $1,050 checks being sent out this month, and you're supposed to get them before June 28th. Well, which state is that? Many of you guys have been asking, is this state giving out stimulus check? What about Florida? What about Mississippi? What about Alabama? What about Texas? And so on and so on. And guys, we are doing our best to make sure that we stay up to date on all of the states that are updating their information and literally sending out checks, giving you guys the most up-to-date news about this stuff. So guys, check this out. Boom. Here today, New York is sending out $1,050 stimulus checks. They are planning to send them out by June 28th. So if you see here, check this out. Notably, the relief stimulus check is arriving before June 28th this year. So what is happening is there's been a debate, a huge brawl between the governors, and there's re-election that is coming up. So there's nothing better to do than send out some relief checks that people have been wanting. If you're waiting for your state to send out a $2,000 stimulus check, let us know down in the comments below. We feel truly that $2,000 a month is reasonable, should be good to help us carry us through this year, just because they're saying that things are going to get worse. They said that, look, gas prices can hit $5 a gallon. Listen, when is this stuff gonna stop going up? I'm literally having to consider my options when it comes to where I drive, where I go. If it's gonna cost me a full tank of gas, half tank of gas, I literally have to take that into consideration because I'm on a budget. I literally have to budget out each week just to make sure I have enough gas to get to work, to get home, and maybe to get some food. But there again, guys, gas is not cheap. It's literally going up so much, and this is uncalled for. I heard many people yesterday that were saying Biden should be doing something because gas shouldn't be this high. It's breaking record numbers. And guys, what are we gonna do? Let us know how much gas is in your area. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. This is the up-to-date information of the state, New York, that is sending out $1,050 stimulus checks. If you haven't already, guys, make sure to jump in on the $250 giveaway that we're doing on this channel, as well as a $50 Visa gift card. All you have to do is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card, and that's it. You're entered in to win. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and until next time, I'm John Miro.